You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this wine appellation. If you want to learn more confusing names of wines, especially France, Italy, Spain, Europe, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Mâcon, which is the name of the city, local city in southern Burgundy. Mâcon-Villages. I know it's the plural, it's villages, but the S is silent in French, so Mâcon-Villages. How to pronounce French pronunciation? Mâcon-Villages. In English you can pronounce it as Mâcon-Villages. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.